Hi, have you ever noticed that paying your clothing account, queuing in store, it's a hassle? So why don't we change it or transform to a new way of paying our clothing account and save ourselves time? I'm going to show you in few simple steps. So let's get into it. You go to your new Capitec app, you click Pay Beneficiary, and you enter your secret PIN and you confirm. Going to add a beneficiary, and we need Capitec Registered, and we're gonna search for true words. So we've got true words whose we're gonna click. So beneficiary name, I'm going to use identity. And the account number, your account number is the 14 digit that is on your card. And then I'm gonna choose the notification type. I need to be an SMS, so I'm just going to provide my cell phone number and then click done. Okay, I'm going to add as a beneficiary. Just need my PIN to confirm. Okay, so identity has been successfully added as my beneficiary. I'm going to pay now. So I need to key in the amount that I need to pay. I'm gonna do a small amount, let me say 30 rand. So if you scroll up at the bottom, you can see pay, then you can just click on pay. I'm confirming that I'm paying identity. Okay, I'm receiving a notification that I've paid identity, that amount of 30 rand. Then once I'm sure that I'm done, I'll just click on done and exit. So guys, this is how you pay your clothing account. It can be any clothing shop, it can be any furniture shop, and you just save your time. You just save yourself some time of queuing and pushing in line with people. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. Tune into this channel or subscribe, because I'll be bringing you more and more videos on the Capitec new app.